This is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the toolbar on your Samsung keyboard. So to get this, where you can see the emoji, clipboard settings, etc., what you want to do is go to the top right and go to settings. Scroll on down to the bottom, go to general management. Click this. Now we want to go to Samsung keyboard settings. Scroll on down on here and go to the keyboard toolbar. Make sure this is enabled. Then we have an option called Save Screenshots to Clipboard if you want that on too. Now let's go back to our keyboard. And you can see the clipboard is going to appear on here where you get the emojis. I think this is like translate, so you can just type this in a different language. It'll appear on here. And you can say things, and it's very useful. Then you will get the clipboard too. Here's the clipboard. And then you'll have settings on here too. So it'll bring you directly to the settings. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.